Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a complete explanation of top MNC started their hiring. This all the MNC started their hiring. Before going to just subscribe and like my channel, my humble request guys. I am just providing 5 to 6 IT companies per day. You can visit our channel at daily. So the first one which is we are going to see in Emerson started their hiring from all over India from 2022 batches, which they mention here itself, from female candidate or male candidate, log in and apply in their company website. Otherwise you can apply in First Naurkri. I will put link in the description how to apply in First Naurkri. You can watch this too also. They are working and last date will be 29th from technical aptitude, everything they can mention. BE BTech MEM Tech from 65%. No arrears should be there. Oral read and written. And this all the languages you should know. With GAT, NTN and NASPEN contract training should be there. Onboarding process for the 12 to 15 months, 1 year, from 15 to 70,000 per month. And after your training period, if you got selected for the permanent jump, 4.2 depending upon the experience. And engineering from all branches, BE BTech MEM Tech, all can apply for this whole methodology, neurology, chemical engineering, electronic engineering, all can apply in their Emerson field for their job. So if you have any doubt regarding, comment me, I will help you. You can watch out here yourself. And the next one will be Parelell wires from junior software engineer from Electronic Cities full-time associate role. Why I'm just mentioning here itself, you should be very proficiency in coding language in any one, C, C++, Java and OOPS concept should be there. Education type, clearly they mention bachelor only, so all branches can apply. So don't hesitate to apply any kind of things via civil, mechanical, all branches can apply for this role. Don't pay any amount, they won't charge, apply here itself. This is what they from Atos for 2023 batches. From BE BTech MEM Tech from eligible criteria, we can start apply here itself. 2023 BE BTech all can apply from online campus role only. So if you have any doubt this kind of things, BSc, MCA, all branches they can apply here itself with 60% they can mention here. So these are all the companies which I am provided here. And then the downstairs also the guidelines, everything they can mention here itself. So you can visit here itself by clicking this downstairs and what all the eligible criteria, complete explanation they have provided here. So be ready for this application portal to start apply. So this all the IT companies I am provided daily. If you have any doubt regarding, comment me, just like my channel, my humble request guys. Thanks for watching.